Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do the testing. I'm going to quickly just look at visual test. First of all, I would check where my cable connect. Now the cable would have come in through that point there. Now I don't have a lead on this cable, a lead on this motor, so I'm not going to be bothered about it. But if I did have one, I want to make sure that the connections are secure. I want to check that I have no cuts or damage on my lead. I want to also check that there's no damage on my plug itself. I want to check the motor mounts. So that's these mounts here. You can see them where the bolts and nuts will go through. That holds the motor in place. I want to check the cooling fins. So I want to check these fins here. That's for cooling purposes because the fan will suck the air in here and then blow it over the motor to help for the cooling. So next thing to do is I want to check the fan. See how there's little blades in there. I want to make sure that the blades are all intact and that there's no damage to them on the fan. Next thing I want to check is I want to check all my screws, bolts and nuts. So I want to make sure that they're all there. I want to see inside that I've got all my little screws or the screws that holds the connection plate in place. I want to check that the seal, if you can see there's like a black seal in there. I want to make sure that's all intact. Here's the black seal that goes in the top. That just helps for giving it an IP rating. And the IP rating you will find obviously on the plate here. So we can't see it now because of the glare, but yeah, it'll be on there. So that's basically a visual check for my motor.